get ready with me for a day of photo shooting and making content. As I'm out recording and shooting content today, I wanted to do a really chic makeup look to go with my outfits. I'm thinking something natural but glamorous, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Starting off, of course, I'm in my Oodie. This is the pink Oodie. It's the most comfortable thing ever and just feels so warm and cozy. I don't need to put the heating on because I've got my Oodie, so it saves me a lot of money, and I just always find myself doing my makeup in my Oodie in the morning. I love it so much. I've linked it in the description box below, and they very kindly given me a discount code for us to use, so if you would like one for yourself, please do check the description box below for all the details. First step, foundation. I love this foundation. It gives a really good coverage without being too much. So once that is nicely blended, I'm just going to go in with my concealer. I will link all products in the description box below, so do check that out if you want to try anything for yourself. Next, bronzer to give myself a bit of colour. Just apply the bronzer on the cheekbones. Really subtle. I don't like anything too heavy, but it does just give my face a little bit more of a sculpt. Then I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless filter for some highlight, and I apply that to the tops of my cheekbones, my brow bone and along my nose and Cupid's bow. I really love this product. I've never used it on its own as foundation, but I know you can use it for a really glowy light coverage. But I personally just love using it as a highlighter, and I think it works really well. You don't need a lot of it, so one tube will last you a while. Next I go in with my gel blusher, which is running very low. I love this one, and it's so easy to blend. It's a beautiful colour too. It just gives a real pop on the cheeks. I just literally use my finger to blend it because I think that's the easiest way to use it. Totally buildable as well, so if you feel like you've not got enough colour on there, you can go over it again until you are happy. Now I'm going to get stuck in with my eye makeup. I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and I literally keep them so natural now. I literally just use a brown eyebrow gel. I'm now going to get stuck into my eyes, and for the eyeshadow palette I'm using Charlotte Tilbury the Sophisticate. Generally such a natural, beautiful palette, especially for someone with brunette features like me, so I love this one. I'm going to start with the lighter tone here and take that all over the eyelid. Next I'm going to change brush into more of a flat brush and go for the medium brown tone here, and I'm just going to take that through the crease of the eyelid and in the outer corner. I deliberately want to keep it quite neutral and pretty today, so I'm going to go in with a brown kohl eyeliner as well. With the brown eyeliner, I literally am taking it just in the outer corner along the top of my eyelashes to give it a gentle wing out as well, nothing too elaborate. Then I also take it just on the outer part of my lower lash line too. I deliberately don't take it all the way across because I feel that it just makes the look too dramatic, and like I said, I wanted to keep it quite defined but subtle. Next I'm using my favourite mascara to lengthen and curl and give more volume to my eyelashes. Make sure you do capture all of those outer eyelashes especially, and pay a lot of attention to that area to give it a nice curl at the end. I gently go along my lower lash line too with my mascara. Very recently, probably a few weeks ago, I gave myself an at-home lash lift, and for the first time ever as well, and it's made such a difference. I literally don't need to use my eyelash curlers anymore, and it's lasted really well for 4 weeks already. So now on to lips. To draw the whole look together, I'm using a very old lip liner. I really need to get new lip liners because all of mine are just stubby little pencils now. Then I'm going to use the Too Faced Cocoa Bold in shade Hot Chocolate lipstick for a neutral taupe coloured lip. And the finishing touch, setting spray from Rare Beauty. Just hold this about 30 centimetres away from the face and spray. Not only does it set your makeup in place, but it also gives it a very natural sheen, which is lovely. So there we have my finished look. I think this look is perfect for today's day of shooting, but it also will be ideal for any kind of situation, whether it's a daily wear look and workwear or anything you need really, wherever you're going, whatever you're up to, and whatever you're wearing, this look will match all of them. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget to check out the description box below for all the product details and of course the discount code on the Oodie. You won't regret it. It's like living in a blanket. Ugh.